Ever catch your cat making weird clicking sounds at birds through the window like some kind of furry Morse code? Well, scientists recently discovered that the chattering isn't random. It's your cat's hunting software glitching. See, when your cat sees a bird outside, their predatory instincts kick in. They want to hunt it, but the glass window gets in the way. So instead of attacking the window, they attack the bird. Their chattering is actually their hunting technique, the perfect killing bite that would break a bird's neck if it were real. Think of it like your cat's way of practicing their hunting skills while watching their prey through the glass. But why would they do this right before the bird flies away? Some experts think the chattering might be a way to mimic bird sounds and lure the prey closer. So basically, your indoor cat is a little bit of a hunter, a little bit of a window warrior. And that's why